Are you looking for the best hair straighteners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hair straighteners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Remington Pro 1-inch Digital Heat Flat Iron. This hair straightener has been created to fight frizzy hair. Root to tip. Your hair will look impeccable, healthy and beautiful with this pick as your straightener. It's fitted with 1-inch ceramic plates with anti-static tech, meaning it glides through hair easily, cutting down on snags and snarl. Remington says, the anti-static technology effectively reduces static and flyaways by 50%. The wider plates also help create beautifully loose curls and waves. The device can reach 410 F high, making it suitable for both home and commercial use. The turbo boost and LCD screen for display of heat levels are other reasons why this pick got a good score from reviewers for helping improve the overall look of their finished hairstyle. At number 4, She Professional Glider Ceramic Hair Straightener. For a straightener that will leave your hair shiny and manageable, we couldn't find anything better. Ceramic and tourmaline crystal ion plates have been used purposely to provide a high shine finish so hair appears radiant and healthy. All agree that it scores highly for the microsensors that ensure no random hot or cold spots for a greater shininess and smoothness of your hair. This piece boasts a less minimalist as its construction and comes with dual voltage 110 to 220 verses, so you can take it with you everywhere you go. Despite being a bit pricier than the bunch, it is worth sacrificing the extra bucks for how it'll make your hair feel. At number 3, Remington S9500 PP Pearl Pro Ceramic Flat Iron. What a stylish and amazing way to get shinier hair, less frizz, and longer lasting styles without burning the hell out of your hair? This straightener is perfect for any style. You just need to be creative when creating your unique style. It relies on 1-inch floating ceramic plates with infused real pearls to straighten hair. Remington ensured that this device instantly heats in 30 seconds to a maximum 450 F, while their adjustable temperature margin means you can use them all for all hair types and lengths. The curved edge shape of the plates means you can use them to smooth the hair down for perfectly sleek hair and the gorgeous curls. At number 2, FURIDEN Professional Tourmaline Ceramic Flat Iron Hair Straightener. This professional hair straightener is made with the user's satisfaction and comfort in mind. The flat iron curler usually heats in just 15 seconds and saves energy compared to other conventional hair straighteners. Besides that, you will have an ultra-smooth silky hair with just a touch of a button. Its 360-degree swivel long cord will give you the convenience to style the hair from any angle. The floating plates have curved edges, constantly adjust the angle, and this avoids the hair from snagging, giving you more control when you are styling. This package has 2 salon hair clips, salon comb, flat iron bag and heat-resistant glove, making this product the best choice. At number 1, MKBOO Hair Straightener with 5-level adjustable temperature. If you are looking to have a silky smooth hair, then MKBOO Steam Hair Straightener should do it for you. It will allow continuous steam to flow efficiently and gently on the hair fibers to curl your hair quicker and also to give long-lasting results. Moreover, the 1¼ inch ceramic plates will improve the heat distribution and also assist the selected temperature to be even on the whole plate. The hair straightener features an easy-to-set LCD display that allows you to select the best temperature and has a maximum heat of 430 degrees that heats up in just 30 seconds. Thanks to its floating plates that enable the hair to flow freely, maximizing the amount of hair that is touching the plates. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.